Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS 12. So today we are starting with a new module, that is cable trays. So let us understand how this cable tray basic settings works, and then in the coming videos we will go through the creating a cable tray, modifying various things and components and so on. Okay, so first, how to get into the cable tray module? You can go to design tab. There is a cable tray option in environments, so you can select that cable tray environment and you will be entered into cable tray. Okay, if you right click on the toolbars, you will find the cable tray toolbar, which is just a cable tray specification thing, and you can just click there and you can change the specification of your cable tray. Okay, so there are various specifications which are available by default in PDMS. If you are working on a specific project, those specifications will be there in this specification list, which is basically done from the administrator part. Okay, so for now we can start with the first specification. You can say okay, and that specification will be applied to the cable tray which we will be creating from the start. Okay, now about the structure of cable tray, for PDMS, what we need to understand here is cable trays are much more similar to what we have done in piping. So there will be head, there will be tail for your pipe, and there will be main, and there will be a branch. Okay, so what you can do is you can create a zone under the site for cable underscore tray underscore site, let's say that as a name, and in that zone which we can create a main, which is basically a branch pipe specification. So you can have, say, CB underscore 1, which is my first cable tray. Here also you can change the specification. You can say okay, and if you check on the design explorer, it basically says pipe CB underscore 1. So PDMS basically considers it as a pipe structure which is having a head, having a tail, and having various components. Okay, so that is what your cable tray is, and then right after the pipe it will directly guide you to make a cable tray branch, and by default it will give branch name as B1, and you can say okay, and directly we will guide it to the branch specifications. Okay, head and tail position, you can have a head and tail position, width, direction, connection, everything like a branch which we have seen in the explicit piping. Okay, so this is basic structure of the cable tray. You will be first creating zone, then you will be creating main, and in mains you will be creating branches. Okay, and before going for cable tray you will be specifying the default specification for your cable tray module. Okay, so these are the initial settings which we need to understand before going into the cable tray or before creating any cable tray. Okay, so we will meet in coming videos and we will discuss how to create a cable tray, how to modify various things and various components which are there in the cable tray. Okay, so if you like this content, do follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends, those who are looking for some good PDMS videos, and keep following for more videos. Thank you for joining.